This is the last thing you hear from me. I only have one thing to say. I was wrong about Justin Bieber. That dude could really sing, yo. It's true.
Come here, Dad. So, got that Bieber fever, huh?
I mean, he did make Confident.
Okay, I got you your truck. Now, where's my meeting with Russell?
Damn, girl, you just straight to business, huh? Relax. Thought you wanted me for my hustle, not my rustle. Yo, where are the keys?
Not so fast, Blondie. It's still my truck! Just let it go, man. It's not worth it. Yes, I did it! Oh, yeah, the bomb.
The truck! The truck! Oh, I'm gonna lose my job, my benefits, and I just put a down payment on a scooter.
There goes my meeting with Russell.
It's Russell. He wants to meet with both of us.
Both of us? How will we even get there?
Rico! Come here, man. You blew Celsius up.
Russ, as a man, I want to say sorry. I just want to apologize. I want to take full responsibility and say she did it. It was all her fault. Don't look at me.
Well, young lady, you are my hero.
Hey guys, I'm Denise Jones.
And I'm Kev on stage, and you're watching The Drop.
Celsius energy drinks have been blowing up right now, literally.
Celsius videos have been blowing up and going viral all day today, showing all the crazy results leading up to this bizarre conclusion.
Jay-Z says difficult takes a day, impossible takes a week.
Oh yeah, we eating real good tonight. Steak and lobster from the system. Girl, are you stupid?
I only have one thing to say. I was wrong about Justin Bieber. That dude could really sing, yo.
What can I do for you?
You mean us?
Rico? What do you want, young lady?
Well, I guess this isn't exactly the dream.
All right, more flexing, less dancing, okay? You're superheroes, not Vogue models.
Hey, you went from an iPhone camera in your bathroom to a camera and a light. Progress, girl.
They're dead wrong. Because we're gonna blow it all up.